What's up, guys? So I won't waste any time here. This will be a quick video showing the setup of the Gazelle T4 Plus tent and also the teardown. So let's get to it. So one of the things that took me a little bit actually to get used to or figure out how to install were these tent poles, and had to do a little bit of digging to figure out where they go. But for the T4 Plus, we actually use it for the front entrance to kind of make them stable and into a frame-like structure. So out of your 3 poles, you get 3 sets. 2 of them are going to be the same length, and one's going to be shorter. So first we'll figure out which one's which. So it looks like these 2 are my slightly longer ones, and this is my shorter one. So the shorter one's going to be in this cross member here, and the 2 taller ones are going to go up like that on the side. So we'll put those in real quick. And inside my tent, and be a little tricky getting this in there. Now for the demonstration today, I did not stake in the tent. But it might be easier if I did. So you undo the Velcro there, undo the Velcro seam here, and there's actually a little tiny tab, and you shove the pole in there. And then the tent runs up. There's actually a black Velcro piece right here that straps right in. Back shoulder. And then move on to the top. And then there's another pocket up here that's actually quite tough to get in, this little tab. So you push up, and you kind of have to bend the tab at the pole a little bit. This is probably the hardest part of getting the T4 Plus up. It would help to have it a little open already. That slides right in. And voila. Don't know if I got that too well on camera. And go ahead and put your other one. Same thing. We'll try and get a better shot. So, go to the bottom here. Find your seam. Go through it. Take through. Find my tab. Find this little tab right here. So the pole will go right into there. So we'll stick the pole in that tab, like so. You can put the liner back around it. Then we attach this piece. Ooh. Then we attach this piece. And once again, we'll have to pick this up, and we'll have to stick this another tab up here. We'll have to go in. So let's do that. Bam! Got it. That's our 2 side poles. We got our last horizontal pole. And it's gonna run across like this. So for the first tab, it'll be up here in the corner, right here. We will put that through, like that, run it across here. Then we will have Velcro kind of strap, put that in. And after that, we have the last corner to get in. Now, this is probably the hardest part. These poles don't bend very easily, so you kind of have to put your back into it and then slide it right in. And it just kind of gets in that pocket, and then you got your whole truss set up, and it looks like a box frame. Now for the disassembly, first we'll take our little our poles in that we just installed. So I'll just basically go backwards. For the disassembly, let's go. Well, that's all there is to it. Hope this video answered a lot of your questions and I hope it helped you out. Without further ado, I'll see y'all later. Bye.